Hello again from OGS Mechanics. Another job that we had in today is a BMW X5 3-litre diesel, which came into us as a non-runner. Basically the car had some work done previously, some injector replaced as we understood, and ever since the customer was struggling, the car was misfiring, running rough, up to one point where it completely shut down and it wouldn't start again. We have started, as we do on every job, with the diagnostics, and we have run the diagnostic. We've sent multiple faults related with activation on all injectors. Now, seeing this, the next thing to be done, it was to check a resistance on the wiring from the injectors to the ECU. When we have removed the inlet manifold, what we have noticed that the wiring that was squashed against the cylinder head due to a massive error on someone that worked previously onto the manifold. When they had the manifold installed, they have not paid enough attention to have the wiring. At the moment, actually, some clips are missing. There's a plastic trunking that is missing, that is holding the wiring in place. So the wiring has been left hanging loose. Therefore, there's been cuts in the head, causing a short. This has rendered it's quite a major problem, because this shortcut, what he has done, he had caused internal problem in the engine ECU. So even upon rectifying the shortcut, so we put the wires in distance, so they're not shorting. The fault is still present. We have checked the injector resistance, and they all seem to be fine. And unfortunately, this error has cost the customer a new ECU. So this is what it will have to be done. We do have the facility to program a second-hand one, because we have advanced diagnostic and programming equipment. However, this is not going to be a cheap job, but it can be fixed. Just to give you a glimpse on one of the jobs, but this is what we do on a daily basis. So whatever requires it might be, we can definitely help you. Thanks for watching.